I I did with pedals, and I'm gonna do with lights. About pedals, bicycle pedals will be linked below. Cinematic. Now I'm famous, professional. Okay, let's start. Okay, there's will be two parts. First about lights, and then what's in the package. In the package it's not so important what I got from Facebook Marketplace, and there's some missing items. Like this strap, I just use regular rubbers, and that's it. It's holding really good. And this I made literally like really quick from wood dowel. Really quick with a tape because we was going biking and I wanted to make it fast as possible. And this is wireless light. Left and right mode, flashing red lights. Oh, I turn. Oh, they're not synced. They usually don't flashing same way. And turn off. Horn and original horn e-bike. Where it is. Where's the horn? Oh. I got this from Facebook Marketplace. It's still flashing. Why? Oh. Yeah, when it's mode's on, it's flashing. Okay, let's turn off. And the back, it's just temporary. I made this when we was biking outside. They was resting and I wanted to do something. And you can turn on without wireless. I got this lights from Facebook Marketplace for I think 30 bucks or 25 bucks. Amazon 90 bucks. I would not spend 90 bucks. It's too much. Another thing, it's wireless. It's good. I don't want to do with wiring and everything, but let's say you turn on, sometimes one can not lights up. It's sometimes what happened with me. I was checking, testing. I press button, and only front was working. One of two. But since then, didn't happen single time since then. Overall, it's not mean that you have to show your hands when you're turning. It's extra. Not they're gonna replace your hands. You still have to show hand gestures. It's for extra safety at night and when turning. Turning, it's kind of like in a motorcycle. Not always gonna see really good. Only at night. During the day, it's kind of harder because they're so close. But at night, they're gonna do really good. And I don't know. Maybe you should spend 90 bucks from Amazon. I seen it's too expensive, but you get 4 lights. How good they are, I don't know. I just used them for a while. A battery says on the box, I'm gonna say later, but I didn't charge them probably a month or 2 weeks, and I had to charge today at least a few minutes because I think they always keep connection. And second, once in a while I'm checking at home. Overall, they are mediocre. Build quality, plastic kind of cheap, but they're okay. And looks a lot nicer. Okay, let's turn on. When it's flashing hazard, it's not syncing together. Let's see from far away. You can see pretty far. At night is really good. Maybe I'm gonna show. During the day, you can see. Can I zoom? Okay, let's go inside and talk more about them. It says I think it was saying 2 hours. And distance 10 meters, but I would say a lot less because they like to lie. Battery, or anyways, it's just for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it's turned off by itself. Okay, we are back and we are inside. I got from, like I said, from Facebook. Like I said, I got this from Facebook Marketplace. I have to talk slower because when I talk too fast, it's be like I got in the box this and this. For light controller, this to attach your seat post, and then you can attach lights like that, like this. I like that. And like I said, I got from Facebook Marketplace. I didn't got strap like a rubber, and for this I didn't got. And you get 4 attachments like these. You can attach where you want. That's attached same way, and you can easily release pressing this back. Controller, you're charging right here. I think it was USB 8, USB A, and here. And another thing what it got, it's stickers, missing stickers, 2 O-rings, and 1 charging cable. Shame, but you get what you pay for. You have to put these stickers inside so you don't scratch the post. But stickers, that's okay. O-rings, I need to get new ones for other lights anyways. And I decided for rear lights, I'm gonna add this kind of type stickers in the back. You can buy in a roll, 15-20 bucks. They're very reflective. I add, you can see on video on my e-bike, still sitting after 1,000 kilometers. Rain, dust, everything still on. Front, I'm gonna put, like, I think it's gray, a little bit gray, like white, should be white, but it's a little bit gray. It's more for more visibility. Overall, it's good. And I'm gonna turn off light to see how it looks. At night, they're pretty bright. At night you can see pretty bright. Okay, let's turn off, and you can turn on by yourself like I said, and turn off, you just press any button. It's good if you drive at night and you need just lights. Oh, another remote. Press and hold. And turn off. Just press any button. I'm going to talk about pedals. Link below. Description video about pedals. And again, I forgot to say something. In the back, you're charging lights. USB-A. And I will gonna make update about this e-bike and general about e-bikes, what for look for, problems, good, bad, basically everything. How, at this point, what I noticed and how I feel. Subscribe if you wanna hear my opinion, because e-bikes little bit is over. Basically, they're saying e-bikes is good. E-bikes is good, but they're not great.